Good morning, madam. My name is Mugilan. My matrix number is 23DBT20F 2007. Today, I'm going to do the standard plate count simulation, which is I'm going to use the water, the culture, and six test tubes, and the hockey stick, and a dropper, and six Petri dishes. So for the Petri dishes, I label as 1, 10, 10 -1, 10 -2, 10 -3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're going to add the water inside the test tube. Now I'm going to add 9 milliliter of water inside each test tubes. Now you could see that I already fill up every test tube with 9 ml of distilled water. Now I'm going to arrange each tube according to the number. So the first test tube is labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I'm going to insert 1 ml of the culture into the first test tube. Now I already pour 1 ml of the culture inside the first test tube. So now what I'm going to do is the first culture I'm going to take the 1 ml and insert to the second tube. Then 1 ml from the test tube 2 I'm going to insert to 3, and same as the previous one. So 3 1 ml to the 4, and 4 ml 1 to the 5, and the 5 1 ml to the 6th test tube. So I'm going to do the all process like this, then I show how it works. Now you could see the concentration of the each test tubes. You could see there. Now what I'm going to do is going to take 1 ml of the culture and pour into the according to the labeled petri dish. For I'm going to use 1 ml of the first test tube into the petri dish. Now I'm going to pour the what they call the mixture from the test tube 1 into the first petri dish, the petri dish -10 -1. After that, use the hockey stick to spread out evenly the petri dish. Now you could see the first petri dish. I already pour 1 ml of the culture, the first test tube, and pour into the first petri dish. As the same thing, for the second test tube, I'm going to put on the second petri dish, and for the third one, I will put on the third petri dish, and the process goes on. After the process to the all petri dishes, we're going to incubate, and after that we get the results. Thank you, madam.